Jai Srimannarayana. 26th sloka of 8th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sukla Krishne Gati Hyete Jagataha Sasvate Mate Ekaya Yati Anavrittim Anyaya Avartate Punaha. Om. All along your life, keep exercising to follow the bright path, which is also known as Archiradi, by which you will attain the state of non-return. Otherwise, you will have to come back again and again. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall keep exercising all along my life to follow the path of brightness which is known as Archiradi, by which I shall attain the state of non-return. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo 10th Skandham, Dasama Skandham, 74th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Putana kept her breast in the mouth of Sri Krishna. The milk which is mixed with poison, Putana wanted to give that one to Krishna, and she kept her breast in the mouth of Krishna. Immediately Sri Krishna Gadham Karabhyam Bhagavan Prapidya Tat Pranaihi Samam Rosha Samanvitaha Apibat." Immediately Sri Krishna, with so much mad at Putana, he held her breast tightly, and he drank all the poison, all the milk, along with Putana's pranam. He started sucking everything. మేల్కొన్న తెరగుణ మెల్లనగను విచ్చి క్రీగంట చూచుచు గిదికి నీల్గి ఆవులించుచు చేతులు ఆకసంబున చాచి బిగి చన్ను గవగేల బీడించి కబళించి గ్రుక్క గ్రుక్కకు గుటు గుటుకు మణుచు నొక రెండు గ్రుక్కల నువిద ప్రాణంబులు సైతము మేనిలో సత్వమెల్లా. Krishna, he pretended like just then he got up and he started yawning. He kept his hands upwards to the sky, and then he held Putana's breast, drank the entire poison milk and Putana's pranam. When he was sucking like that, Putana started screaming, crying, Muncha munchalamiti prabhashini. She's saying, come on, leave me, leave me. And she's screaming. Putana getting so much sweated, and her eyes became so big. Prasvinna gatra kshipati ruroda. She's moving her hands and legs very fast, and by hitting them, she's crying a lot. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 8th chapter 26th sloka. Shukla Krishne Gati Khyete Jagatas Sasvate Mate Ekaya Yatyana Vrittim Anyaya Vartate Punaha. Shukla Krishne Gati Khyete Jagatas Sasvate Mate Ekaya Yatyana Vrittim Anyaya Vartate Punaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.